Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can allow your camera and microphone in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go right top corner to the three dots and then just click here on settings. When you're gonna be in the settings, you just want to go to advanced and accessibility, I think. No, that's the wrong thing to go. I don't know, you want to go to privacy and security, right? And then you want to click on site settings. And when you're gonna be here, you're gonna see microphone and camera. You wanna click microphone and ask before accessing, and you just want no, right? And you can simply allow. You can choose if you have Zoom or whatever, like Google Meet. I can go with the camera and microphone. Simply allow it. When you go with the Facebook again, you just simply allow it, and they don't ask you anymore. Or Messenger again, you simply allow it. Don't let them ask you. So this is how you can simply do it on microphone and also for camera, right? So yeah. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye.